How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so this is my E46. This is a 2002 330 Ci, and I'm getting this air light. I'm going to show you guys. So when I start the car, I get the amber light, and right now it's showing red because my handbrakes are on, but it's also amber, the brake one. So these are the two that I'm getting, the brake amber and this one amber. If I put the handbrake down, it's gonna be turning into amber, but I can't because I have one of the tires removed. So I'm gonna show you how you can fix that error. So this is something that you're gonna have to do on all four tires, and I'm gonna show you on one tire that what I'm doing. So this is my front tire, and if you come from the front and if you come on the back, there's a speed sensor right here. So there's a wire that goes in, and it goes in right where your brake sensor goes, right here. So you know, we're not gonna mess around with this at all. This is my brake wire, the black one, but this is the speed sensor, and the speed sensor is located right here, and this is the number 5 Allen key. So this is not the star but the Allen, so just make sure you have the right one. And we're gonna unscrew this and get this out. So let's go ahead and remove it. Sometimes it's kind of hard, so you may have to struggle with it, but it seems like, you know, we have anti-seize on the bolts. Now you can just wiggle it and remove it. You can also pry it a little bit right from there, and seems like I can't get mine out, so I'm probably gonna have to wiggle it a little bit and pry it out, and then we're gonna clean it. Okay, so here's my sensor. I got it out, and you can see it is quite dirty, so we're gonna go ahead and clean it. And this is where it goes. So you can use don't use brake cleaner, but you can use some electronic cleaner like mass airflow sensor cleaner, and that's something you can spray on it and just wipe it really good, and that will give it a nice clean. So this is the cleaner that I'm using, mass airflow sensor cleaner, and this is electrical safe. So all I'm going to do is just spray it, the lower portion, pretty good, and hopefully that'll clean it. Just wipe it with a rag, and once it's nice and clean, just reinstall it back, and you're gonna have to do this on all four tires. So let's go ahead and clean it. Okay, so here you can see I got this pretty clean. Just make sure you spray in those 4 holes on both sides, and clean it as much as you can. So I think I'm ready to put this back in. This back in, you just insert it carefully. Just make sure align the hole the way you took it out. You should be able to just push it in. Be careful, you don't want to break the wire or anything. Put the screw in so you can align it better. It'll help you, and then you can start tightening the screw, and I'm just gonna go ahead and push it more in and tighten this. Can't do it with one hand while recording, but that is pretty much it, guys. You know, once you clean all 4 sensors on the tire, most likely this light will go away. There are a couple of other stuff as well that cause that light to go bad, but we're not going to cover that in this video, so I'll make another video for that. But you know, this is the easiest thing that you can start from. So if you have that particular light, once you clean all 4 speed sensor, there's a possibility that your light will go away. This is the cheapest and the easiest way. All the other methods are a little bit more intense and time consuming, and you know, may require you to buy parts, but this one may fix your issue. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in and do it on all 4 tires, and then hopefully that'll take care of my light. So guys, hopefully it helps you guys. If you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.